Hello guys, are you guys doing good? So today we're gonna make a kind of like a boat obstacle project. So let's start. This is how it's gonna look like. So oh. What?
Hey!
So if we touch the rocks or the border, we die. We don't die, like the game's over. Yeah. And the person crashes into something. And then you go bye-bye. Okay, so first you're gonna go here and then delete this poor cat. Bye. Okay. And then we're going to go in the sprite library and we can search up rocks. Okay, we found rocks. We did need to search them up. And then we change their size to at least, let's do 60. This looks good. And then we upload a sprite. We hover over the sprite button and then we upload it. You guys can upload a sprite. You guys can make it. It's a boat one. You guys can upload it, make it, or do anything else. So open. We have a boat here. Wait a minute. This is not what I uploaded. Okay, so we have to make one. Okay, let's go. Costumes. Oh yeah, you need to hover over to the sprite and then paint it. Okay, good. Now first we have to make a circle. And then we have to make then we have to change the color. And make it a little bit like this. And then we do fill color, fill it in. After we need a black circle. So let me make one. After that, before I meant an oval. We need a black oval and a green oval. Yeah. Now we need a red circle. We have the red circle. Now we need two thin squares like these. This amount. Black. These are going to be the arms. So we need to duplicate this. Yeah, perfect. Let's put this in the middle, kind of. Yeah, and then you can slide this over here. And slide that one down here and there. Okay, perfect. Now we need a black line. I'm going to make it 14. 15 or 14, whatever. Not that big. Yeah, perfect. And now I'm going to need... We can make a black one or orange one. You can need any oval. So I'm going to take a black, or I'm going to take an orange one actually. Brightness, orange. The outline is going to be orange. Outline's going to be orange. Okay, perfect. Make another small circle now. And delete that one. And make it kind of small. And then we duplicate, Control C and V. And then we slide it over that side. One out later. Okay, it's over there. After that, we go to reshape, and then we make it little like a little toke at the end. If it's like there's a little toke, like this, and then we do Control V and V again, and then we do that, and then we flip it. Yeah, I don't remember how to. Oh God, what's happening? Okay, we can make the same thing with this if we don't. That's not what I meant to do. That is not what I meant to do. This is not what I meant to do. Let me just, yeah, that's perfect. Okay, now I select the paddle, and I group it, and I put it in his, oh God. Oh, yeah, and then select thing, and then I put it in his hands. And I can make it a little bit, like, yeah, a little bit shorter. It's too big. And then I delete this one line, and I select the whole thing. I mean, not the whole thing, not that little dot. And I select the whole thing now, and then I group it. It's at the top, and then I make it a little bit smaller. So this could be like 60. No, not 60. 80. 80 would be perfect. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Now we go to coding area again, and we hover over choose a sprite, and then we don't press upload a sprite, we press paint. And now we make the borders. Control V again. No, this is really short. This is actually good play space. So they hit the borders. But yeah, this is good. I just have to change the color. Kind of like a brownish color. Yeah. I take the fill color and fill this in too. Okay, good. We did. Now we hover over to the sprite again, and we do paint again. This is the last sprite we're gonna paint. And we one, and then we make some kind of slanted lines like these. Actually, not like these. Let me just like some straight slanting, kind of like a straight slanting line, like these. If it makes the water look like it's going down. Yeah, and for the stage, we paint it full, like kind of like let's see. No, we don't need a line. Is this a stage? Oh, we need to paint the stage in kind of like a bright blue. Yeah, this is perfect. And I choose 100 to make it faster. Perfect. Time to paint. Okay, done. Now we have the water, we have everything. Now we're gonna code. We're finally gonna code. Okay, so for the borders, we're gonna do green flag clicked. Go to and go to black layer. Wait, where's the go to black layer? Oh yeah, here. Front layer, select black, done. Okay, now we're done coding for the border. We're just gonna name it border. Border. Okay, and here we can name it play here. Oops, there's an I there. And that's better. We don't need to name the line anything, so now we're gonna code for the rocks. So green flag clicked. Oops. Hide. Forever. Create clone of myself. Wait 1 second. So where's create clone of myself? Yeah, right there. Okay, good. Now we're gonna code for the when I start as a clone. So when I start as a clone, go to black layer again. So right here, and then we select black layer. Okay. Show. Go to random position. Let me get that block. Set Y to 80. So you have to set the Y to 80 so it will just fall from the top, like not from anywhere, not from a random position. Set Y to 80. I mean 180, not 80. 180. Okay, and then you do set X to pick random minus 90 to 190. Minus 190 to 190. So we go on operators, we get the pick random. Minus 190 to 190. After that, we do a set X to. Let me get that block really quick here. Set X to. Oh yeah, it's in motion. Set X to, and then we put that in here. Good, perfect. Now we're gonna put a forever. Change Y by minus 8. So forever. Change Y by minus 8. And then if Y position, so we're going to get the Y position because it's right there. And we get the if Y position less than. So we go in operators and we get the less than block. We put Y position in the first hole. And then in the second hole we write, we don't put anything, so we write minus 170. Perfect. And then we do this, delete this clone. So yeah. And we add it over here in this. Okay, good. So let's try it out. It's working. Perfect. Something that I noticed, I should make the border a little bit smaller. So go in border, select, make it a little bit smaller. It looks like it's too big or something. Okay, that's good. Now we can see how it went. Now that's good. Yeah. Now we need to do the same thing for the lines. So lines, we need to do the exact same thing. So we just drag it into the lines. Okay, so that's in. And for the when I start as a clone, we do also the same thing. So let me really quick get it and put it over there. Simple. Now we're done coding for all of them except the player. Okay, so let's code for player now. So for player, when green flag clicked, going sounds, we're going in sounds, and then choose a sound, and then we go in loops, and then we choose dance celebrate. Yeah, and we delete this sound. Okay, good. And then play sound until done. Okay, good. Now, we need to code for its movements. Green flag clicked. Forever. And then one if then else and one if then. So if then else and then if then. So for the if then else, we do key right arrow press, if key right arrow press, and sensing key, where's key, oh yeah, right arrow press, then switch costume to right. So now we need to make the boat's costumes. So we go in costumes, and you see here we can duplicate it. Duplicate, and we duplicate it again. Okay, here. Now we just have to turn it over there. And this one we have to turn it over there. Okay, that's good. Okay, so switch costume to right. We don't have that, so let's see. Let's just test it out. Switch costume to costume 3. I don't know what costume 3 is. 3 is. Inflate. Oh, no. And we can make the boat a little bit smaller, like 70. Okay, that's good. Costume 2. And move, I think it's 5 steps. Yeah, it is. Move 5 steps. Else, switch costume to up. So let's really quick give the name. So that's right. IGHT. Left. And up. Okay, so else, switch costume to up. Okay, good. And then on the if then, the another if then, we do key right arrow press. So we just duplicate that one and we select left. Not right, left. And then we do switch costume to left, move minus 5 steps. Switch costume to left, move minus 5 steps. Minus 5 steps. Okay, and then now we have to code for the conditions. So we do green flag, and we switch backdrop to start. Oh yeah, I forgot, we need 2 kinds of backdrops. So this is going to be one backdrop, and this is going to be another backdrop. I'm going to write text on it called game over. Game over. We choose the color black, and we choose the style it's a marker, and then we make it big. Big, big, big. Okay, that's better. So you can just start and over. For short, we can name it over. Okay, then we go to player. And here we do green flag click, switch backdrop to start. So switch backdrop to start. Switch costume to up. And go to front layer. After that, we put a go to where you want to start it. I want to start it right in the middle. right here, not in the perfect middle, right there, and then we add a go to. Okay, and then we add a forever, if then, forever and if then, forever and if then inside the forever. Okay, so if touching boulder or touching rocks, you need to if touching. So we need both two touchings and an or from operators. Let me put the touching in there. I select them, border or rocks. We put it in the if then. Switch back up to game over, stop all. We get the stop all, it's right there. And then switch back up to game over. Over. Okay, so I think that's all. So let's try it. Yeah. One more time. Okay, good. Now we can add score. So in stage, we go in stage and add score. So we just make a variable called score. Score. Oops. Okay, that's better. Score. And then we adding a score because the last one you see in the stage we added a score. So we in the stage we add a score. We do a green flag. Whatever. Wait 1 second. Change score by 1. Just delete. We did delete my variable. Delete. Change score by 1. Let's go to 0. And we do wait 4 seconds. Okay, that's perfect. We have to wait 4 seconds. Okay, we got 1 score. Good. This is a hard game. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Please like and subscribe my video. Bye, guys.